Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to bring image in front of text on Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To bring image in front of text on Google Docs, go to your Google Docs and open the document. I will bring this image in front of text. To do so, just right click on the image and click on image options, expand the text wrapping and select in front of text. Now look, the image is now in front of the text. You can put the image anywhere and put it to in front of the text. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.